Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at a machine that has been trusted for decades in commercial environments, labs, hospitals, and demanding cleaning setups. This is the Nilfisk GM-80 HEPA vacuum, a compact yet industrial-grade vacuum system built for serious filtration, long-term durability, and consistent suction performance. If you've been searching for a vacuum that can handle heavy use and deliver cleaner air while doing it, this one deserves your attention. The Nilfisk GM-80 looks simple on the outside, but what makes it impressive is the build quality and the engineering inside. This vacuum is constructed with an aluminum canister body, making it lightweight to carry while also incredibly durable for years of operation. Inside, the motor is engineered for continuous suction with excellent airflow, designed to perform even in environments where standard home vacuums tend to fail. Now, the most important feature: the HEPA filtration. The GM-80 uses a true HEPA filter capable of capturing extremely small particles, including dust, allergens, and fine debris that most vacuums simply recirculate into the air. This makes it an excellent option for users with allergies or for environments where air cleanliness is essential. It also uses a multi-stage filtration system, meaning larger debris is captured early, protecting the HEPA filter for longer life. The accessories are simple but highly effective, including a sturdy hose, metal extension wands, and specialized nozzles that make it suitable for a wide variety of tasks. Whether you're cleaning hard floors, carpets, vents, or industrial workspaces, the GM-80 maintains consistent airflow without losing power as the dust bag fills. Noise levels are impressively low for an industrial vacuum, which makes it usable not only in commercial settings but also in quiet indoor spaces. If you want a vacuum designed for longevity, reliability, and clean air output, the Nilfisk GM-80 HEPA is a strong contender. Check it out and see if it fits your cleaning setup. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content and consider purchasing through the link below to support the channel.